Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be attempting to repair this G1 Transformers Ultra Magnus and to remove all the red ink that has been painted on. I bought this character from eBay. Got it really cheap, so it's just something to try out. I've also ordered other parts that will be along shortly to complete this video. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy. Okay, let's start by removing his arms. You see they're pretty stiff. You got two Phillips head screws in the arm. Let's remove them. Dropping the screwdriver over. Make sure these are fully undone. Yeah, I've got small parts inside his arm, so we'll make sure we don't lose them. It should. What part of that? Okay, take the two screws out. One, two. We'll put them somewhere safe. Part there. Now as you can see, it should be chrome. It's been painted red, this smokestack, so I'll take care of that. Take this clip out, make sure you get an idea which way it goes in properly. So if you go off the sticker part, right on there, tell the stripe, it goes in. So you've got a camera, it goes in, it slides in there, a little notch fit, and it should slide in and be in like that. Yeah? Okay, put it in there. Now this part of the arm. Oh, you also got a ratchet mechanism here. Got to be careful of that, don't lose that piece. Some of these, where you've got metal bar here, some of them are plastic, so be very careful when you open it. Back to this piece of the arm. And do these two screws. There. That's it. You got a spring mechanism in this side. It's not that powerful, so you shouldn't lose it. Just be careful when pulling it apart. Remove that screw. Remove that screw. You can see now it should come apart nice and easily. You've got the headlight and the fist holder for the small magnus, also been painted red for some reason, and you've got, oh, there's all spring in it, so that's how there is. There's your spring. It's only a small one, sits on top of that ratchet mechanism, which then goes onto there. Try getting back in camera. The ratchet mechanism there has little grooves in the bottom there, has a grooves in that sits on top, and the spring will go on top of that when you put it back together, just like that. So put them bits to one side. I'm going to do the same routine with the opposite side. As you can see, I have put the parts that have been felt tipped in red into my sink, but I'll give them a spray with oven cleaner to see if it helps remove some of the red. They've had a good spray oven cleaner, so I'm now going to leave them for a few minutes to see what effect it has. Okay, it's both arms now feel tremendous. The next thing to do will be to remove the torso, which is two screws there and there. Unscrewing them will pull this part straight off the top, so we'll get on with that. And don't knock your camera while you're doing it, Mike. One. Two. It moves the whole piece, as you can see. 2 screws, 1, 2. Put them in a safe place. It's come out okay. That's it. Put this section to one side. I've turned it over, as you see. There's another screw right there that holds the cab front on. So we're going to do that. There you go. One screw and one plate holds it in place, and there's the cab itself. Now we'll take this bumper off and the grill. To do that, we've got 2 screws, one here down by the wheel and one here. So we'll undo them and it should separate just enough to get the grill out and the bumper in one go. So try a different screwdriver if you can't get in. After one, try a different one. There you go. So we'll do that. It's tight, but it is coming into as well, so it's coming pretty nice like that. There you go, one screw. Got to one side. And number 2 screw, which is this one here, the back there. Undo that. Yep, that's the screw out. This now is loose, you can see, put apart. Should be able to pull this top half outwards like that, and with a flat screwdriver get a bit of a wiggle. You get there. Should be able to get one side of the grill out through there. Come on. There you go, that's one side out. Now for the other side. Go. That's the top of the grill out. Carefully get this in the between here. And that should. Oh, there you go. So we've got a perfect day. Now what's happened there is the wheel itself's come off in one piece, and with the sealing ring as well. That's what holds the wheel onto the peg. So I'll say it's a bit of a job. So all that's come off. So just take that out. There's your grill off. Simple as. So come off now. Okay. And that side's not going to undo though, so that's as far as that goes. Move that to one side. I'm going to attempt to re-chrome all these chrome paint them. Now the legs are very simple. Again, you've got 2 screws here, one there and one there, but you also have a foot screw as well. That doesn't have to come off right away, or at all, depending on what you're doing. So first off, let's just undo these. This screw goes straight through the knee joint and it screws into the fuel tank on the opposite side of the knee. Take that screw out. Right, go straight into that fuel tank. Right, straight through your leg. So put the screw back in there so we don't lose it or mix it up. I'll keep that safe. Put that to one side. I'll do the bottom one. That screw out again. Screws out, put it to one side to keep it safe. And these should just pull apart. There you go. You can take the foot out. So the foot just sits on that piece there. Just remove that. That separated. Now I'm not taking a fully pack, so it has got a sticker here. So just, there you go. So there you go, it comes in 2 parts and there's the sticker. Still. Might be able to reuse. So that's that part done. Move that to one side. Now it's basically just the foot, which is that one screw there. That's an awkward one. Again. That's it, got it. So that screw comes out, put it to one side, and this foot now should separate, there you go. So put that to one side. Same again on this side. The 3 screws. So with that screw, pull the fuel tank out. Screw back in. There you go. Put aside. Do that screw. Screw the ping. Put like a part, there you go. Comes out like that. From that peg. Put to one side. Let's get that pliers on that. We'll come back to it. It's the exact same as the opposite side of it, I've just shown you. So you're just repeating it.